Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Python like a pro. Start by grasping the fundamental building blocks of Python. Focus on understanding variables, data types, and basic operators. Then, move on to control flow, mastering loops and conditional statements to dictate program execution. Finally, learn to define and use functions to make your code modular and efficient. Consistent practice is key to solidifying these foundational concepts. Once you have a solid foundation, dive into intermediate Python concepts. Object-oriented programming, or OOP, is crucial for building larger, more maintainable applications. Practice reading from and writing to files, which is essential for data handling. Furthermore, learn to leverage Python's vast ecosystem of external libraries, like NumPy or Pandas, to extend your capabilities and solve complex problems more efficiently. To truly become a Python pro, explore advanced topics such as decorators, context managers, and generators, which offer powerful ways to write more elegant and efficient code. The most effective way to solidify your learning is by building real-world projects. Start small and gradually increase complexity. Consider contributing to open-source projects. It's an excellent way to learn from others and gain valuable collaborative experience. Learning Python is a continuous journey. Always stay updated with the latest Python versions and new features to keep your skills sharp. Engage actively with the vibrant Python community through forums, meetups, or online groups. It's a fantastic source of support and new ideas. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, perfect for reading anywhere, as well as other great deals. Keep exploring new books and online resources to continually expand your knowledge and expertise.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.